Hi friends, this is Miss Gilbertson. Today we are going to be putting numbers in order from least to greatest, from least to greatest. That means from smallest to biggest, from smallest to biggest. Good. So for the first one, they gave me three different numbers, and I have to put them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start by looking at the first number. My first number is 30. I find 30 on my number line. It's right here. 30 looks like it's at the end of this number line they gave me, so I don't think it'd be first from least to greatest, but I'm going to double check because that's what good mathematicians do. I look at my next number. My next number is 25. I see right here the number 25 comes before 30 on my number line. That means 25 is less than 30. 25 is going to come before that 30. But now I see the number 27. If 27 comes after, then I know that 25 is first. So 25, 26, 27. That tells me 27 came after 25. So 25 is my first number. It is the smallest. It is the smallest. Good. Then I take a look at my two numbers that are left. I have 27 and 30. Well, which one, if I go 25, 26, 27. 27 came next on my number line. So I would write 27 next. Then 30 would have to come last because it is the biggest number of the three numbers they gave me. Then if I were to write it from left to right, from smallest to biggest, from least to greatest, this is how it would look. 25, 27, 30. Okay, now I have three new numbers. I'm going to need a little bit more of your help this time. So I have 68, 73, and 64. 68, 73, and 64. So I'm going to start with that 68. I'm going to find it on the number line. Go ahead and find 68 on the number line and point to it. Good, you found 68 right here. Now I need to see, does my next number come before or after it? My next number is 73. Find 73 on the number line. Good, you found 73 right here. 73 came after 68. So 73 cannot come first. But our last number is 64. Find 64 on the number line. Good, you found 64 right here. 64 came before 68. So 64 is my smallest number. It is my smallest number. Good. So 64 goes first because it is the least. It is the smallest number. Then after 64, I'm able to just start counting forward. 65, 66, 67, 68. Stop. 68 is one of my numbers. 68 came before we heard 73. So I know that 68 is next. I'm going to write it down so that I know 68 comes after 64. Then I just keep counting. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, and stop. 73 was my last number, so now I know the order of my numbers is 64, 68, 73. If you're always counting forward, then you know that you are going from least to greatest. If you have to go backwards, that's when you know, no way, Jose, it's not in the right order. Again, if I were to write it from left to right the way we read, it would say 64, 68, and 73. Good. All right. Ooh-wee, it's going to get a little bit trickier now because there are four numbers we have to sort. There are four numbers we have to sort through. So right away, I'm going to speed it up a little bit, show you a couple quicker tricks. So 76, right away, 76, is that bigger than 65 or is it smaller? It's bigger, so that means that it's not going to come before 65. So 65 right now, I'm going to keep that one in my brain. Is 74 bigger than 65 or is it smaller? It's bigger, so that one won't come before 65. Okay, well now I take a look. 65 and 61. Is 61 bigger or smaller than 65? It's smaller. Good. So I know 61 will come before that 65. In fact, I know now if I look at my number line, 61 is the smallest number of all of the ones they gave me. So 61 will come first. Then I'm going to just start counting in order. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and stop. That's one of my numbers, so I know it comes next. It is the next greatest from least to greatest. I keep counting 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and stop. 74 is the next number they gave me that I ran into. So 74 is the next greatest in line. I only have one number left. Let's make sure that it's bigger than 74. 74, 75, 76. Freeze, stop. 76 is our biggest number. It is the greatest, so it is last in our order. Now again, if I'm writing it from left to right the way we read, it would say 61, 65, 74, 76. Go ahead. Right now, take a look on bottom, read them out loud with me. Just go across with me. Ready, go. 61, 65, 74, 76. Good. All right, I think we have one or two more. Okay, so again, we're going to move a little bit quicker now. 13 and 7. Which one's smaller? 7. 7 is smaller than 13. I can tell by checking that on my number line. Then I ask myself, which one's bigger, 7 or 18? Or I'm sorry, which one's smaller, 7 or 18? 7. 7 is still smaller, so 7 would still come first. But now I check my last one. 7 and 4. Which one is smaller, 7 or 4? 4 is smaller than 7. Good. So 4 is my smallest number. That means it comes first. It comes first because it is the least. From there, I can just start counting. So put your finger on number 4 on the number line and get ready to count with me. Ready, go. 5, 6, 7, stop. 7 is a number that is part of the list of numbers they gave me. 7 would come next in line because it's the next one I ran into on the number line. I'm going in order from least to greatest, so it's always going to go from smallest to biggest. Let's keep going. Finger on number 7. Get ready to count with me. Ready, go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, stop. 13 must be my next number because it's the next one I got to on the number line. It is the next biggest of our group. So 13 comes next. Let's keep counting. Finger on 13. Ready, go. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. 18 is next in our order because it is the last one we have. It's the greatest of the numbers they gave us. So it's 4, 7, 13, and 18. And then if I were to write them the way we read, put your finger on bottom, read them out loud with me. Ready, go. 4, 7, 13, 18. All right, friends, that was putting your numbers in order from least to greatest, from smallest to biggest. Remember, your biggest job is just finding out which one is the smallest number so that you can count on from there. Once you figure out what the smallest number is, it should be super duper easy to keep counting on from there and put them all in order. I know you'll be able to do it. I'm so proud of how hard you guys have been working in math this week. Keep up the excellent work, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.